The wisdom of Kabbalah explains that the story of Noah's Ark and the Great Flood represent the incredible challenges that we face each and every day. Shalom, my friends. I'm Rabbi Rome at the Kavanah Initiative, dedicated to revealing the ancient Kabbalah meditation and visualization techniques that have been kept secret for centuries. The constant struggle with relationships, health, and money can be incredibly overwhelming and often feel like we're drowning in the chaos of life. The mystics teach us that each one of us is Noah, which in Hebrew means comfort or rest, and refers to our important ability to be continuously balanced and emotionally at ease. And in order to do so, we enter within the ark, or teva, which in Hebrew also means words. The secret of this, Kabbalah explains, is that when the raging waters of life, or maim rabim, get too chaotic and overwhelming, then we should seek refuge by entering into an inner sanctuary of meditative prayer and contemplation. When we vocalize our challenges, either verbally or through mental contemplation, we gradually become aware that the difficult situations we face are truly blessings in disguise, giving us the opportunity to spiritually grow and develop. When we deeply internalize that the raging waters of confusion are really, in fact, purifying waters of transcendent realization, we effectively unify our individual minds with the root and source of all consciousness and life, in what the Kabbalah calls a zivug, or unification, an integration of masculine potential energy with the feminine vessel of creative expression. The floodgates of infinite life, vitality, and abundance are open, and we are able to achieve even higher states of unity, clarity, and joy. So the next time you find yourself in a great flood of confusion, anxiety, fear, stress, doubt, take a break, enter the ark, recalibrate your current perception and perspectives, and set sail to a new beautiful world of possibilities and potential. If you would like to know this step-by-step process of how to access your superconscious mind, unlock oceans of love, clarity, and joy, and also help make a real impact on the elevation of global human consciousness, then please subscribe to this channel and stay up to date for the upcoming launch of our groundbreaking free online Kabbalah meditation and visualization course. I'm Rabbi Rome with the Kavanah Initiative. Have an amazing day. Shalom.